Okay, so forgot a few things about the robot setup. So this is just a quick, real short check to make sure you've got all the right robots and configurations here. So under robot and compiler target, yes, for virtual worlds you need to have that selected. And for platform type, it should be on the VEX 2.0 Cortex. On the Windows tab, select Virtual World, you should be on Curriculum Companion. And I believe that's the only settings that you need to worry about. Right. And then you can open your sample program or just pick anything and hit download the robot if the code is good, and that'll bring up your virtual world program. Okay, that's it.